Star Wars Rogue One might bring back Kyle Katarn. Let's find out more after this. A new trademark filling from Lucasfilm includes the name Shadow Trooper. According to TMZ, the trademark filling is in regards to product merchandising, which is actually where a lot of spoiler details seems to be coming from many franchises. What's interesting is that this isn't the first time we've heard the name Shadow Trooper in the post-Disney Star Wars universe. They are also playable characters within EA's Star Wars Battlefront video game. In that game, they are essentially black versions of the Stormtroopers. If accurate, this information matches up with the recent details we've heard regarding characters that reportedly appear in the upcoming Star Wars Rogue One. Some new footage of the next film was shown at the recent Disney stockholders meeting that included the Black Stormtroopers. They were then referred to as Death Troopers, but the name wasn't confirmed at the time. The name Shadow Trooper has actually been used multiple times in the Star Wars extended universe. It was first used in the Jedi Knight video game. In Jedi Knight, they were troopers capable of using the dark side of the Force as well as wielding lightsabers. In an interesting coincidence, those games dealt with a character named Kyle Katarn, who is actually involved in a plan to steal the original Death Star plans. The same focus of Star Wars Rogue One. Now, it has been discussed many times if Kyle Katarn will be back for Rogue One, and if this rumor is true, then Kyle Katarn could definitely be back to reprise his role as an actual living character. So guys, what do you think about this theory? And let me know down in the comments how many of you remember the Jedi Knight series. That was one of my favorite games growing up, playing as the basically rogue Jedi Kyle Katarn. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and this has been your bro Bessie, and I am signing out.